There are 8 friends: Prema, Tina, Ruchi, Bhumu, Vani, Kriti, Radha and Shreya. They have been given 8 different letters token: A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H, but not necessarily in the same order. They like different fruits: apple, grapes, banana, lychee, papaya, mango, orange and melon, but again not in the same order. And they're all sitting around a circular table with equal people facing inside and outside. Alright. So first and foremost, let us draw a circular table. 8 positions, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, it is not that all the persons are facing centers or all of them are facing outwards. What does it say? Equal people facing inside and outside. Now, you know that there are total 8 friends. And 8 friends, if equal of them are facing inside and outside, obviously 4 will face inside and the other 4 will face outside. So, the point is, even to start such kind of an arrangement is not easy. Usually I say that starting a circular arrangement is very easy. You can start from anywhere on the circle. But in such cases where he is talking about, few people facing inwards, the other facing outwards, you have to be very careful. Okay. Now we'll have to identify the arrangement of these 8 persons, right? We'll have to arrange these 8 persons around the circular table. We have to find out what is the letter token available with each of these persons. We have to find out what is the fruit that each of these persons like. And we also have to find out which of these persons are facing inside and outside. Alright. So that's the target. Basically 4 parameters: persons, fruits, letter tokens, right? And inward and outward facing, right? These 4 things have to be fixed. Now let us first see, it's not that you have to always start with the first point. Let us find out a suitable point which will which will be a good start. Okay, like for example, if you read the first point here, it says the one having token D is sitting third to the left of the one having token A, whose name is not Vani and does not like banana. Now the point here says D is third to the left of A, whose name is not Vani and does not like banana. Well, if you want, you can start with this. Like for example, D is third to the left of A, but left of A will be decided based on A facing inwards or outwards. You know that when a person faces center or inwards, left is clockwise, right is anti-clockwise. When a person faces outwards, left will be anti-clockwise and right becomes clockwise. So here when he says the one who has token D is third to the left of one who has token A, we will need to know the person who has got token A is facing center or outwards, which is not given to us. So there will be 2 possibilities. You can say that A is here. In one case you take it center facing, the other case you take it outward facing. Accordingly you mark D. But will that be really a good start? I don't think so. Let us read the other statements. See, at best what we'll get only 2 things from this statement, right? A and D. And we'll get 2 possibilities. So let us find out if there is anything better to start with. Next point says the one having token C is facing outside, okay, and sitting between the ones having tokens F and G, who like mango and papaya respectively. Now there is some information available in this. Enough information available in this. He says the one who is having token C is facing outside. He is between the ones having tokens F and G, and these persons who have tokens F and G like mango and papaya respectively. So if you observe, we'll get 5 items from this one. In fact, 6 items. C, F, G positions. Mango and papaya can be allotted. So C, F, G 3, mango and papaya 5, and C is facing outside 6. So 6 of the items have been fixed. Of course, we'll get 2 possibilities. What are the 2 possibilities? He says the one who has token C is between the ones having token F and G. Now, is it FCG or CGF? Sorry, is it FCG or GCF? Is not very clear. So we can take both the possible cases and try to complete the arrangement. But again, before doing that, I would quickly run through the remaining statements. Tina is sitting to the immediate left of the one who is having token A, who does not like lychee and melon. Shreya is sitting second to the right of the one who likes mango, but mango is connected here, so this point can be used. The one who likes melon is facing inside and sitting second to the left of the one who likes lychee, and he's also third to the right of Prema. Yeah, I think let's take a chance. Let us start with this point. The point which says the one having token C is facing outside and sitting between the ones having tokens F and G, who like mango and papaya respectively. Let us assume this is person who is having token C. He is facing outside. Now he is between F and G. So let us assume this is F and this is G. Please note that we have no idea about the directions faced by F and G. It can be inwards or outwards. The other possibility is that I'll also have to ensure that I draw a bigger circle, because if there is too much of writing, it will become very congested in a small circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is C facing outside. G. Okay. What we'll do now is take the other possibility, right? It can be FCG or GCF. So we'll take G, C, and F. And remember, it also says that F and G like mango and papaya respectively. F likes mango and G likes papaya. So here F likes mango and G likes papaya. Of course, the names are yet to be found, but these things have been fixed. All right. So case 1 and case 2. This is case 1, let's say. This is case 2. Now move forward. Tina is sitting to the immediate left of the one who's having token A. Now we have no clue about token A, so forget about this. And he does not like lychee and melon. Shreya is sitting second to the right of the one who likes mango. Now this is interesting. Shreya is sitting second to the right of the one who likes mango. Shreya is sitting second to the right of the one who likes mango. Now who likes mango? This person likes mango, right? Shreya is sitting second to the right of the one who likes mango. Now the point is, what direction does this person face? Inwards or outwards? Not very clear. Shreya is second to the right of the one who likes mango. So second to the right can be first and second, Shreya can come here, or first and second, Shreya can come here as well. Because Shreya is second to the right. Now if this person is facing center, right will be anti-clockwise. So Shreya will come here. If this person is facing outwards, right will be clockwise. So Shreya will come here. Similarly in case 2 also, Shreya is second to the right of the person who likes mango. So second to the right of mango can be this position, first and second, or first and second. Both are possible. So I think no point in taking that point now, right? It will give us 2 more possibilities. Already we have got case 1 and case 2. You'll have to duplicate case 1, you'll have to duplicate case 2, and then take the 4 possible positions of Shreya. But I don't think, we can do that, or we should do that in the exam. First of all, I don't have space to do it, so I'll have to restrict myself only to 2 cases. So let me just look for something better than this. The one who likes melon is facing inside and second to the left of the one who likes lychee, and he's also third to the right of Prema. So we have no clue about melon, lychee, Prema so far. Forget about it. The one having token C is sitting second to the right of the one having token D, whose name is Ruchi and likes apple. Okay, token C is fixed, right? It says the one having token C is sitting second to the right of the one having token D. C is second to the right of token D. Now C second to the right of token D means what? D can come here or here. D can come here or here. Both are possible, right? In both the cases, there are 2 possible positions for D. D can come in this position or this position. See what it says, the one having token C is second to the right of D. So if D is here, let's say, right of D. If D is facing outwards, right of D will be C. Right? Or the other possibility is D can be here and D facing inwards, so right of D will be C. So these are the 2 possible positions for D. Similarly in case 2 also, the 2 possible positions of D are these. Again, going by this point also, you can probably duplicate each of these cases and take the 4 possible positions of D. Yes or no? You know that D will definitely come either in this position or in this position in both the cases. So maybe you can duplicate here, but like I said, I don't have enough space. Alright? And the other point given here is that the one having token C is sitting second to the right of the one having token D, whose name is Ruchi and likes apple. So this person D, the person who's got token D is Ruchi and likes apple. So once D's position is fixed, we can also fix Ruchi and apple. But D's position is not fixed yet. Kriti, who likes grapes, is neither A or H. Not useful. Prema is not sitting to the immediate left of Ruchi, but Ruchi's position is not fixed. Both the neighbors of the one having token B are facing inside, but B is not fixed yet. The one having token F is facing inside. This is important. This is useful. The one having token F is facing inside. So F is facing inside. Remember this. The one having token F is facing inside. So anything with respect to F, left or right now can be determined, right? Because the one who has token F is facing inside, right? Tokens B and C are facing the same direction. They face the same direction. So wherever token B comes, we should face it according to C. So C is facing outwards, B will also face outwards because both of them are facing same direction. But B's position is not fixed yet. The one having token E is to the immediate right of Radha. Who is having token E? Not fixed yet. Radha also is not put yet. And he is also sitting second to the right of the one having token H. H also has not been placed yet. The one who likes orange is sitting second to the left of the one having token G. The one who likes orange, this point can be useful. The one who likes orange is sitting second to the left of the one having token G. See, G is already fixed, right? Now second to the left of G, two possibilities are there. First and second in clockwise or first and second in anti-clockwise, depending on whether G faces center or outwards. But the point here is with respect to a fruit. It says the one who likes orange is second to the left of the one having token G. So basically orange is second to the left of G. Now if you take, let us assume G is facing center. If G is facing center, second to the left of will be this, and this should be orange, but this is already mango, which means orange cannot come in this position. So obviously orange has to go on that side, anti-clockwise direction. Are you able to follow? Orange is second to the left of G. So if G is here, second to the left, if G is taken center facing, what happens? If G center facing, second to the left will be in the clockwise direction. So first and second orange, but that's not possible, which means G is not center facing, G is outward facing. And if G is outward facing, left will be anti-clockwise. So second to the left, first and second, this will be orange. Yes or no? Similarly, in the case 2, if you take G as center facing, what happens? Second to the left, first and second, this can be orange. But try the other possibility. If G is outward facing, left will be anti-clockwise. So first and second to the left, orange. It's not possible here because mango is already allotted. So clearly G is center facing according to case 2. Outward facing according to case 1, center facing according to case 2. And we know that orange is second to the left of G. So first and second, left is clockwise, first and second, this would be orange. This is going to be orange. So this point has also been used. The one who likes orange is sitting second to the left of the one who likes G. Right? What else? So I think one reading has been done. We have already read the whole, all the statements here. Now let us do the second reading. In the second reading, maybe we will be able to connect more dots. So the one having token D sitting third to the left of the one having token A. Token D is third to the left of the one having token A. No, I think that may not be possible, right? A is not fixed. D is third to the left of token A. No, there will be multiple possibilities. So this point is still not useful. Anything that is underlined has already been used, so forget about that. Tina is sitting to the immediate left of the one having A. No. Who does not like lychee and melon? Shreya is sitting second to the right of the one who likes mango. This point is useful. See, second reading has given us one more point. Earlier, we were not able to use this point. Why? Because it said Shreya is second to the right of the one who likes mango. Who likes mango? This position. This person F likes mango. But the direction was not known to us, whether F faces center or outwards. But now we have fixed the direction. I don't know which point was useful. Right? The one having token F is facing inside. So now, after reading this point, after doing the marking of F's direction, I think this point can be used. Shreya is sitting second to the right of the one who likes mango. Shreya is second to the right of the one who likes mango. Now, this person likes mango, right, second to the right. Right will be anti-clockwise, right, because he is facing center. So first and second, this should be Shreya. Right? According to case 2, what happens? This person likes mango, right? Shreya is second to the right of this person. Since he is facing center, right is anti-clockwise, and second to right, first and second, this would be Shreya. Alright? So Shreya is sitting second to the right of the one who likes mango. Then the one who likes melon is facing inside and sitting second to the left of the one who likes lychee. The one who likes melon is facing inside and sits second to the left of the one who likes lychee. No, not useful. And he is also sitting third to the right of Prema. Not useful. The one having token C is sitting second to the right of the one having token D. No. See, the one having token C is sitting second to the right of the one having token D. We have already understood that D can come in these two positions according to that. And then he says, name is Ruchi and likes apple. Kriti, who likes grapes, is neither A or H. Neither A nor H. Prema is not sitting to the immediate left of Ruchi. I think by any chance, if we can find out what is the position of A here, lot of statements have got A. You see, this statement here has got A. This statement here has got A. Right? This statement here has got A. Many things are dependent on A. So we should find something about A. That is how we will be able to connect it, right? Something which is very frequently used in the statements has to be fixed. If you can fix that, it will be easier to complete. So just think about it. What can be done with respect to A? Can we find out the fruit which A likes? Is it possible to find out the fruit that A likes? Just think about it. See, I'm talking about with respect to A, right? With respect to A. So let us, you know that there are 8 fruits here: apple, grapes, banana, lychee, papaya, mango, orange, and melon. Let us find out what can be the possible fruit for A. Maybe that will help. See, papaya and mango are closed. Papaya and mango are for G and F. So let's close papaya and mango. Papaya and mango are closed, right? Here he says Kriti, who likes grapes, is neither A nor H. See, Kriti, the person likes grapes, is neither A. So grapes is not A. I mean, Kriti who likes grapes is not A. So we can say that A does not like grapes. Are you able to follow? Kriti likes grapes and Kriti does not have A. So we can conclude that A does not like grapes. So grapes is ruled out. Then what else is given? The one who has token D sitting third to the left of the one having token A. Token A whose name is not Vani and does not like banana. See, A. D is sitting second to the left of A. D is sitting second to the left of A. Whose name? Who's here? Who's here? A. A's name is not Vani and does not like banana, which means A does not like banana. A's name is not Vani. A's name is not Vani and A does not like banana. So banana is also closed out. What else is given? You see this point? The one having token C sitting second to the right of the one having token D, whose name is Ruchi and likes apple. See, D is for Ruchi and likes apple. That means Ruchi likes apple. If Ruchi likes apple, we can say that D likes apple. You getting it? C is second to the right of D. C is second to the right of D and D is Ruchi likes apple. So clearly D goes for apple. Yes or no? Apple is for D. If apple is for D, basically apple is for Ruchi and Ruchi has got D. So we can say that apple and D will be together. So if apple is for D, apple cannot be for A. So apple cannot come for A. Let us find out what comes for A. Anything else? 3 fruits are left out: lychee, orange, melon. I think something was given with melon and lychee. Yeah, lychee, right? Melon, lychee. See this point. Tina is sitting to the immediate left of the one having token A, who does not like lychee and melon. Yes, we are done. See, Tina is sitting to the immediate left of the one who has token A, who does not like lychee and melon, which means A does not like lychee and melon. A does not like lychee and melon. A does not like lychee and melon. So I can close out lychee and melon also. That's it. We are done. I think A has to go for orange. Yes or no? The person who has got card A has to go for orange. Because A does not like apple, grapes, banana, lychee, papaya, mango, melon. So obviously orange is for A. Is orange fixed? Yes, orange is already fixed. See, orange comes here. So can we fix it for A? Yes, A comes here. And according to case 2, A would come here. Now I think reading these statements would make a lot of sense. I can clear this now. We have done this cancellations according to person A. We can now try out the other things. Right? Now try it out. Read the statements now. The one having token D is sitting third to the left of one having token A. See, D is third to the left of A. Understand? Only look at the first part. D is third to the left of A. Right? D is third to the left of A. Now if you see, we know that there are 2 possible positions for D. According to case 1, there are 2 possible positions for D. Now this point says D is third to the left of A. So obviously D and A cannot be together. So D cannot come here. D has to come here only. So I can now fix that this is the position of D. Are you able to follow? D cannot come here because this will make D and A together. We know that D is third to the left of A. Now look at this. A is here. First, second, third. Now left of A is anti-clockwise. According to case 1, left of A is coming to be anti-clockwise because D is third to the left of A. So first, second, third. This way it will be fifth. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. So obviously third to the left is this side only. So first, second, third. Third to the left of A is anti-clockwise of A. When is left anti-clockwise? Only when the person is facing outwards. So I can say A is facing outwards. Right? Now look at case 2. In case 2, where is D? A is here. We know that A and D cannot be together because D is third to the left of A. Right? So A and D cannot be together. So obviously D has to come here. And if D comes here, what is the point here? D is third to the left of A. Now left of A this time, first, second, third is clockwise of A. When is left clockwise? Only when the person is facing center. So according to case 2, A is facing center. So I think we have already marked the position of A and we know that A is facing center and likes orange, and with respect to that D also has been fixed. So I will clear this markings here. See, you need not do this in the exam, clearing and all, but I need some space. So I am just clearing it out so that it looks neat. Okay. So D's position is also fixed. Done. So this point has been used. Which point? The one having token D sitting third to the left of token A, whose name is not Vani. Now you have to remember that A's name is not Vani. A's name is not Vani. So Vani will not come here. And does not like banana. A does not like banana, we have already used. So we can underline this. Next point is Tina is sitting to the immediate left of the one having token A. This also can be done. Tina is sitting to the immediate left of the one having token A. Immediate left of token A. A is here. A is facing outwards. Immediate left is anti-clockwise. Right? Left is anti-clockwise. So this is Tina. According to case 2, A is here. A is facing center. So left will be clockwise. This would be Tina. Right? So Tina is sitting to the immediate left of the person having token A who does not like lychee and melon. This also we have used. Who does not like lychee and melon. Then this Shreya's point is done. The one who likes melon is facing inside and sitting second to the left of the one who likes lychee. Now this is not possible because melon and lychee have not been marked yet. And he is also sitting third to the right of Prema. Prema also is not marked yet. The one having token C is sitting second to the right of the one having token D. Now this will be useful. Token D is fixed. You see token D is fixed now, right? So we can use this point. What does it say? C is second to the right of D. Look at this. D is here. According to the statement, C is second to the right of D. Right of D, first and second. C is second to the right of D, first and second. Right is coming out to be anti-clockwise. When is that possible? Only when the person is facing center. So we can say D is facing center, right? C is second to the right of D. So if D is here and C is here, second to the right is anti-clockwise. So definitely D is facing center. In this case, you see, again the same point. C is second to the right of D. Second to the right of D. Right of D is coming out to be clockwise. Yes or no? D is here, first and second. Right of D is clockwise. When is that possible? Only when the person is facing outwards. So according to case 2, D is facing outwards. So I think this point is done. The one who's having token C is sitting second to the right of the one having token D. Whose name is Ruchi and likes apple. I think, yeah, this point we had used, checked already, right? D is for Ruchi and likes apple. So we can fix this also. Ruchi and apple. Similarly here, Ruchi and apple. So I think this set is complete. You see, person is facing outwards, name is Ruchi, token is D, and the fruit is apple. Right? Some things are completely done. Some positions are completely fixed. Anyway, let's go ahead. Kriti, who likes grapes, is neither A nor H. Kriti likes grapes. Kriti likes grapes and is neither A nor H. Now look at it. We know that Kriti and grapes have to be together. See if it is possible to fix it. Start from this position. Kriti and grapes can come here. Right? Kriti can have token C and likes grapes. Grapes cannot come here. Grapes cannot come here. Kriti and grapes can come here. Kriti cannot come here. Grapes cannot come here. Kriti and grapes can come. So possibilities are there. Multiple possibilities are there. We'll use that later. Right? Neither A nor H. Right? Prema is not sitting to the immediate left of Ruchi. Prema is not sitting to the immediate left of Ruchi. That we will use later. I think not useful now. Both the neighbors of the one having B are facing inside. Both the neighbors of B are facing inside. I think this point can be useful. What do we know? Both the neighbors of B are facing inside. Try this out. Both the neighbors of B are facing inside. See, if you start from this position, we are trying to fix the position of B. We know that both the neighbors of B are facing inside. B cannot come here. B cannot come here. Already F is there. B cannot come here. Can B come here? Possible. Because if B comes here, both the neighbors should face inside. Already this neighbor is facing inside, and we can say that, okay, this neighbor also faces inside. So this is possible position of B. Let me write it inside. Can B come for Tina? No. Because the point says both the neighbors of B should face inside. This neighbor is facing outside. So B cannot come here. Right? B cannot come here. This is already for A. Can B come here? Can B come in this position? No. Because the point says both the neighbors of B should face inside. Here both the neighbors are facing outside. Can B come here? No. So I think B's position is fixed, right? Both the neighbors of B are facing inside. So if you see C, F, G, C, F, D, A, 5 positions are already blocked. Only 3 possible positions for B, out of which 2 are ruled out because both the neighbors of B should be facing outside. Here A is facing outside. Both the neighbors of B should be facing inside. Both the neighbors of B should face inside. So because A is facing outside, these 2 are ruled out. So the definite position of B is this. And both the neighbors of B will face inside. Already Ruchi is facing inside. Tina also should face inside. I'll just clear this other marking here of B so that we don't get confused. Right? Try the same thing in case 2. Both the neighbors of B should face inside. See, already A, G, C, D, F are marked. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tokens are marked. Only 3 tokens are left. Let us try out all those 3 positions. B can come here or here or here. We know that both neighbors of B should face inside. So this is possible for B because both are already facing inside. Can this be the position of B? Yes. Already A is facing inside. We can say that maybe Shreya also faces inside. And can this be the position of B? No, B cannot come here because D is facing outside. Okay, so there is a problem now. The problem is there are 2 possibilities for B according to case 2. Both the neighbors of B should face inside. So B can come here. Both are already facing inside. B can come here. One is already facing inside. We can say Shreya is also facing inside. But B will not come here. B will not come here because D is facing outside. We want both the neighbors of B to face inside. So what we can do is eliminate this. There are 2 possible positions for B. Either this or this. I'll write it neatly. There are only 2 possible positions for B. Either B is Tina or B comes here. We will use this later. So I think case 2 is struck. Case 2 is struck, right? Case 2 is struck. Case 1, definite position of B has been obtained, but case 2 has got struck. 2 possibilities of B, and I don't have space to duplicate also. And ideally, I would not like to duplicate after having done so much. So let us go ahead. Let us see any other point which is useful. I am not underlining this point. Both the neighbors of B are facing inside because we have not done it for case 2. Next, the ones having tokens B and C face same direction. The ones having tokens B and C face same direction. C is facing outwards, so C is facing outwards, so B also should face outwards. Yes or no? The ones having B and C should face the same direction. So C is facing outwards, B also will face outwards. Here C is facing outwards, so wherever you take B should face outwards. I think still pending with respect to case 2. Then what else is given? The one having token E is to the immediate right of Radha, and he is also sitting second to the right of the token H. I think tokens are done, right? How many have been marked? Definitely D, F, C, G, A. D, F, C, G, A. D, F, C, G, A. In both the cases, D, F, C, G are marked. D, F, C, G, A. I think the only tokens left are B, E, and H. Again, B also is partially done. So E and H. E and H are the 2 tokens left. Now look at this last point. It says the one having token E is to the immediate right of Radha, and he here is nothing but for E. Yes or no? You know that he is and always refers to the preceding person, right? The first person, and always refers to the first person. So the one having token E is also sitting second to the right of the one having token H. Try to use this point. I think this will help us complete it. E is second to the right of H. Token E is second to the right of H. Now with respect to case 1, E should be second to the right of H. What are the 2 possibilities left out? These are the 2 positions left out for tokens, right? We know that E is second to the right of H. E is second to the right of H. So fix that. E is second to the right of H. Let us assume H comes here. Let us assume H comes here. If H comes here, remember H is facing center. So second to the right of H will be what? Anti-clockwise. Which means E should come here. Are you able to follow? We know that E is second to the right of H. E second to the right of H. If you take H in Tina's place, H is facing center. Right will be anti-clockwise. So second to the right will be here. E should come here, but this is already occupied by D, which means this cannot be H. So can we take this as H? Yes. Then the only possibility is this has to be H. There is no other place left, right? This is H. And we know that E is second to the right of H. Obviously E will come here in that case. If H is here, E would go there. And E is second to the right of H. Remember, right of H is coming out to be anti-clockwise. If this is H and this is E, right of H is anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means what? Anti-clockwise. Right is anti-clockwise means person is facing center. H is facing center. Are you able to follow? H is facing center. Now the same thing has to be done for case 2 also. Let us try it out. What are the positions where tokens are not assigned? This position, Shreya's position, and this position. See, B is possible in 2 places. B is possible in 2 places, right? Either this place or Tina's place, and then E and H will take the other 2 places. So these are the 3 places. Now look at this point. Can B come here? We know that E is second to the right of H. Sorry, we know that E is second to the right of H. If by any chance you take B in this position, if you fix B in this position, what happens? E and H have to come together. If B comes here, this will be closed. And in that case, E and H will come together. But we know that E is second to the right of H, which means B cannot come here. Are you able to follow? B cannot come here because if B comes here, E and H comes together, which is not allowed. So B cannot come here, which means B is fixed. B has to come in this position. So now let me clear this out. Now look at E and H. What do we know? E is second to the right of H. But the point is, the only two places left out for E and H are these two. And you do whatever you want, E and H will not be second to the right. Right? E will not be second to the right because between E and H there are two persons. So if you take H here, first, second, third to the right. Or if you take H here, first, second, third to the right. Are you able to follow? So the point is, with respect to case number 2, E and H are not getting according to the point given here, right? It says E second to the right of H. E second to the right of H. Definitely E and H have to come in these two positions only. But the relative positions will not be second to the right, which means case 2 is wrong. We knew that case 2 will be wrong, right? We knew that case 2 will be wrong. I mean, we know that one of the cases will be wrong. So it has come out that case 2 is wrong. Are you able to follow? So I think case 2 is done. Now we can focus only on case 1. So all the tokens are marked, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Yeah, all the tokens are marked. So tokens are done. I think only names and fruits have to be fixed, right? So let us read out the remaining statements, right? Now, this statement also said E is to the immediate right of Radha. E is to the immediate right of Radha. E is fixed here. Let us see immediate right of Radha. See, both the neighbors of E are facing outwards. E should be on the immediate right of Radha. So if you take B as Radha, immediate right of Radha will be E, correct. If you take A as Radha, what happens? If you take Radha in this position, immediate right of Radha will be this person. Because Radha is facing outwards, right? This person is facing outwards. Immediate right will be in the clockwise direction. So this should be E. You're able to follow. The one having E is to the immediate right of Radha. So we can now conclude that Radha comes in this position. So Radha is here, immediate right of Radha is E. Right? Radha is facing outwards, immediate right of Radha. When a person is facing outwards, right is clockwise. So E comes there. So I think this point is also done. Then the ones having tokens B and C face the same direction. B and C face the same direction. We have already used this. Right? This also is another line. I think we have both the neighbors of B are facing inside is also marked here. Both the neighbors of B are facing inside. Both the neighbors of B are facing inside. Done. Now I am sure with the remaining statements we can complete it. Right? What is given? The one who likes melon is facing inside and sitting second to the left of the one who likes lychee. And is also sitting third to the right of Prema. Kriti likes grapes. Let's use this. I think this can be fixed now. Kriti who likes grapes is neither A nor H. Kriti and grapes have to come together. Kriti, we should go with grapes. So Kriti grapes for this position is possible. Not possible because mango is here, apple is here. Kriti grapes cannot come here because Radha is sitting here, so Kriti cannot sit here. Tina is sitting here, so Kriti cannot sit here. Orange is here, so Kriti cannot sit here. And Kriti is not H. Remember, I think this point is useful now. Kriti who likes grapes is neither A nor H. So find out where can Kriti and grapes come together. I think the only possibility is for C. Because here it is mango, so it cannot come. You're able to follow. We are looking at two things. Either it should be Kriti, either the position should accommodate Kriti. It should accommodate both Kriti and grapes. So because of mango, it is ruled out, right? Kriti and grapes cannot come here. Because of apple, they cannot come here. Because Radha is sitting here, Kriti cannot come here. Because Tina is sitting here, Kriti cannot come here. Because it is orange, grapes cannot come here. We know that Kriti is not H. Kriti is not H. And we know that this is already Shreya. So the only possibility for Kriti is this. This is Kriti, and you know that she likes grapes. I'll just clear this part here now to get some space, right? Kriti likes grapes. Okay. Right, so Kriti likes grapes. Now Prema is not sitting to the immediate left of Ruchi. Prema is not sitting to the immediate left of Ruchi. So Prema should not. Yeah, Prema is not on the left of Ruchi, so but there are many other possibilities. Read the other points now. Who are the persons, by the way? I think let us rule out already which has been marked. Tina, Radha. Tina is marked. Ruchi is marked. Right? Shreya, Kriti are marked. Shreya is marked. Kriti is marked. Radha is marked. Prema, Bhumu and Vani. These three are left out. Prema, Bhumu and Vani. And with respect to fruits, what all are marked? I think apple is marked, grapes is marked, banana is not marked, right? Lychee is not marked, papaya is marked, mango is marked, orange is marked, melon is not marked. Okay, so 3 fruits and 3 persons. Banana, lychee, melon, and Vani, Prema, Bhumu. This one statement should be sufficient, right? The one who likes melon is facing inside. The one who likes melon is facing inside. So Tina can take melon because Tina is facing inside. Radha cannot go for melon because Radha is facing outside. And H can also go for melon. So there are 2 possibilities for melon, right? Then inside and sitting second to the left of the one who likes lychee. Second to the left of the one who likes lychee. So for example, if you take melon here, we know that melon should face inside. First of all, the one who likes melon is facing inside. So melon cannot come for Radha. Melon can come for Tina or H, right? Melon can come for Tina or H. But the point is, melon is second to the left of the one who likes lychee. Melon is second to the left of the one who likes lychee. So obviously, melon and lychee will take these 2 positions in some order, because both melon and lychee have to be marked, and second to the left of the one who likes lychee. So if we take lychee in H position, what happens? H is facing center, right? So second to the left of lychee will be this position. So not possible, right? Lychee should come for Tina. Yes, we can fix now. Lychee is for Tina. Second to the left of lychee. See, lychee is facing inwards, right? So second to the left is clockwise, first and second. This will be melon, right? So point is satisfied. The one who likes melon is facing inside. Yes, it is facing inside. And second to the left of the one who likes lychee. Second to the left of the one who likes lychee. You see? Left of lychee. Done. Then, and he is also sitting third to the right of Prema. Who is he here? The one who likes melon. See, because of the word and, we should refer to the first person. So the one who likes melon is sitting third to the right of Prema. Melon is third to the right of Prema. So find out if melon is third to the right of Prema. First, second, third. No, Prema cannot come here. First, second, third. I think Prema has to come here. Take Prema here. Third to the right of Prema. Yes or no? Melon is, where is that point? Yeah, third to the right of Prema. Prema is facing center, right is anti-clockwise. So first, second, third. Melon comes here. That's it. So Prema is marked. I think lychee, melon are marked. Where are the fruits here? Lychee is marked, melon is marked. Only banana is left. Who will go for banana? Radha. So Radha likes banana. So I think fruits are done. With respect to persons who are left out, Vani, Prema and Bhumu. Prema is already marked. Vani and Bhumu. Now Vani and Bhumu have to come in these 2 positions. Remember, we knew that A is not Vani. A's name is not Vani. A's name is not Vani. So A cannot be Vani, which means H is Vani and A is Bhumu. Done. Let me just quickly see if all the sets have been marked. Let us just check. C Kriti grapes is one set. F mango Prema. Again, C Kriti grapes facing outwards. F mango Prema facing inwards. Ruchi D apple facing inwards. Radha banana B facing outwards. Tina E lychee facing inwards. A orange Bhumu facing outwards. H melon Vani facing inwards. G papaya Shreya facing outwards. And we also knew that 4 are facing inwards, 4 are facing outwards. Just count it. If we find that it is not equal, then gone. Our life would become miserable, because after spending half an hour on this, if we find that it is not equal, then gone. Check 1. Let us count outwards. C is outwards. G is outwards 2. A is outwards 3. B is outwards 4. How many are inwards? 4 are inwards, right? D is inwards, F is inwards, H is inwards, E is inwards. Yes. So this is correct. Case 1 is correct.